A tough week, but not everybody's unhappy about it. A Bitcoin dip to or just below 60,000 looks like a promising opportunity compared with those leverage traders that got wiped out along the way. Let's break down what happened in our weekly roundup. Crypto spent the early part of the week clinging on to support levels, first around $67,000, then $62,000, now it's clinging on for dear life at $60,000, where we sit just above at the time of recording. That's nearly a 6% drop on the day alone, and getting up towards 20% loss on the week. Ethereum's at 1,578, down over 10% today. ADA was hardest hit of all the majors, closing down over 12%. Solana, XRP and Stellar, they've all taken hits too. Across the board, it's just been a week of sustained selling pressure, and there doesn't seem to have been one single catalyst. A few narratives have come out. Saylor selling some Bitcoin, liquidations to fund positions in the SpaceX IPO, and early warning signs of the Japanese yen carry trade finally unwinding, as Jake Claver predicted. It seems to me, however, that the move's been driven by ongoing deleveraging. Billions in liquidations over the last 48 hours as traders keep getting wiped out again and again. This has sparked a risk-off mood that spilled across into every market. Equities, gold, silver, oil, they're all down lower today. Fear and greed indexes are all down to extreme fear levels, 11 to 15 depending on which index you're looking at. This is certainly what a typical deep bear market looks like, as sentiment seems to be in the dumps. The key level to watch heading into the weekend is $60,000. If we break this, we could fall rapidly into the 55 to 58,000 range, as we saw this as a previous cycle high. If we lose this, then we could be plummeting down further into the high 40s. We need some support to come in soon, or it could be an ugly weekend. As same prices continue to fall over the weekend where we typically see lower liquidity periods, this could further cascade the downward momentum as more liquidations take place. So grab a poncho and hunker down, because this could be a bumpy ride over the weekend. Weeks like this are reminders of why systematic traders have an edge. Algo strategies don't panic, and they don't miss buying opportunities either. If you want to build an automated strategy, then head over to Arrow Algo now and start building and testing one for free. Good luck, stay safe, happy trading, and I'll catch you up next week.